What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to install these turbo lift struts on the Crown Vic. Mine's a 2011. I believe this will work for any 1992 to 2012. All you're going to need is a little screwdriver, flathead, and a friend to help you hold the hood. So let's pop the hood and get into it. So as you can see, this one's actually broken right here. All the plastic is snapped off around the post. So this will probably be much easier to install, or remove, I mean. That's why this is the last end that I'm doing. Let's see if we can get in there. Here we go. I just twist the screwdriver and kind of pop it up off there. There we go. So you don't need to remove the ring all the way with a pair of pliers. There's a little groove in these. You put a little screwdriver like this in there, and then I get it up in there, and I just twist it to lift it up. Usually they'll stay in there. They'll stay when it's snapped in there, because see, this is broken off. You can see on this side there's actually, let me pull this out of here so I can show you a little better. So you can see it's actually a little slot right there. So once you pop this up, you can slide this up and it'll stay in this slot and not collapse back in the hole. That side's broken off. So you don't have to completely remove the clip with pliers. You can either just leave your screwdriver wedged under there, put it on, and then pull your screwdriver out. Or the same thing, leave your screwdriver in there, pull it off to remove it. Or you can just put your screwdriver in there, twist it, or pry it up into that groove, and it'll stay there for you. Alright, so here's our new strut right here. Sometimes these ends are not straight with each other, so one will go on and the other will be completely twisted. They actually unscrew from here on either side, so you can actually unscrew it that way, and I like to go the other way and actually twist the ram or the cylinder, because I don't like these to be loose on here. So let's just go ahead and do one end at a time. We'll put the top on, put our screwdriver under there. Pry this guy up, try to get it up into that groove that I showed you. There we go. Okay, so you see it's just up there in that groove. It's holding it for us. So the hole is open, so we can just pop this on our post now. Slide the clip back down and just snap it right back into place. We'll make sure that this is oriented the way we want. Oops, see, that's coming loose up there. So we'll try to hold that from spinning and loosening while twisting the cylinder. There we go. We'll do the same thing down here. Put our screwdriver in the little groove. And be careful not to stab yourself, guys, doing this. Keep your hand out of the way. Never cut towards you or do a motion like this towards you. Okay, so there, it's in the groove, it's holding it for us. Now see, we need to go up a little bit more because our hood isn't open all the way. Now, this is where you want a friend to help you, or what I have done, let me show you. So I've actually cut a board that fits perfectly in here is holding my hood up all the way open. I was using this to work on the car anyways because these struts were bad. So I've already got this new one on that side. And actually one, I believe, one good one by itself will hold the hood on its own. Let's see. Nope, it won't. Okay. So the new one with the one worn out one over here will hold it up on its own, but one by itself will not. So we'll be able to just press the hood. We'll put our back against here and kind of press it up a little bit because we only need a tiny bit as we line this up and put it on. So we'll just kind of back press the thing up for the extra that we need. Or you could have a friend hold the hood for you if you want. Just make sure if you do have a board under here propping it while you're doing the other side at first, when you lift the hood up all the way, if the board slips down right here, it's possible it just comes down and hits your motor. So make sure you don't damage anything if the board falls doing that. So I'm actually going to remove the board and then hold the hood the whole time while I walk over there, put my back up against it and hold it up while I install that last one. All right, so we removed the board. I'm holding the hood up with my back right now. I'm just gonna kind of stand up that extra bit, and there we go. Reinstall the clip. We're on. Okay, well, we got both of them on there now. Let's see how well this works. There we go. Just halfway up. There we go, yeah. Cool. Let's see. Kind of have to assist it. There we go. Nice. That's a wrap. All right, well, that's it, guys. Hope you liked the video. Smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And here's the part number for any of you that want it. Got these from Napa. Probably any place carries these. They're just generic. Hopefully these last and they're not garbage. Comment below if they are, if any of you have tried this brand before. Give me a heads up on that. But until next time, thanks for watching.